Alright, good morning guys. We are going to be doing a repair test for the McGee's. That claim number is 07667530008. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a repair test on this roof. We have a damaged shingle right here. Wind has kind of creased it and ripped it off. What we're going to be doing is removing this damaged shingle. We're going to be replacing it with a brand new shingle. And in the process of repairing and replacing, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing the repairability of the shingles that we affect around it as we make this repair. So let's go ahead and get started. What we need to do is we need to kind of unseal some of these shingles, and we need to do it in a gentle way. We're not trying to damage the roof in the process of this repair. Okay, so I need to move this just a little bit over. So we're gonna unseal these things. And we have to unseal because we need to get our nails out of the shingle that's damaged, but we also need to get the nails out from the rows above it so that we can properly remove this guy. And again, I'm being very gentle. I'm not trying to damage the shingle any more than is already existing. I'm looking to see, we do have some mat transfer on some of these. I'll have photos to show that after we're done. Not all of them have mat transfer, but just some. All right, so now we've got to get our nails out of here. So what we got to do is we got to be really gentle. We're not lifting the shingle up any more than we need to. We're being very delicate when we do this. Oh, these shingles are so hot. All right, there's our one. So now we got to come up to the rows above it, and we got to start getting the nails out. Like that. Again, we're being very gentle. We are just trying to do this the right way. And this nail right here has been a little low nailed, so we just need to be able to get this nail out. Same thing happened with this one. It's driven a little too far. Okay, we have this one. Do we have any more? Okay, I think we should be good now. All right, so our old shingle is out. We're gonna toss this right over to the side, and we're gonna get our brand new shingle. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide it up into place here. Make sure the reveals match each other. Make sure everything lines up and looks pretty. Looks like it's the way it's supposed to be looked. All right. And so now what we gotta do is we gotta secure this shingle down to the roof, the nailing surface. And so what I have to do is I have to lift this shingle up, and I have to put this nail right above that nailing strip. In order to do that the right way, I gotta lift this shingle up probably around 45 degrees, which I have this square. This angle right here is 45 degrees. I just want to show you kind of the point of where I need to lift this shingle up in order to get this nail in the correct spot. So already barely hit that shingle, and we have some cracking, some tearing. The shingle is really brittle. We're gonna go do the same thing. We're gonna put some more nails up in here. We're gonna put 4 nails in each shingle. Gotta get it started. Take this guy out. And we're gonna keep working our way. We're gonna keep working our way down. Now again, I'm being very gentle. I'm gonna put one right over here. All right, that first row of nails is in, and now we need to come up to our second row, and we need to put our nails back in place. Now again, we're doing this. I'm not bending this thing up any more than I need to. Just enough to be able to put my nails in the right space. I need 2 more. So there we go. So our shingle is secured now. This is just a little glove, right? I'm not wiping this thing with any type of pressure. You can hear kind of the sounds that I'm making when I do this, and you can see that it's not roughing this shingle any more than I need to. But what we do have is we do have some mat transfer right here. So we've repaired one shingle. In the process of repairing one shingle, we have mat transfer times 1, and we have some creasing, which is starting to happen on this one, right here and right here. So we have some creasing that's happening on 1, and then we also have our creasing and tearing times 1. So we repaired 1 shingle, however we've damaged 2 in the process of fixing 1. And so in our mind, this isn't a likely repair candidate, because we can't just repair 1 and then damage 2 all over the roof. That will leave the client in a worse off position than they started before this claim even took place. So in our mind, this repair test failed. Thank you.